Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our lesson on IT security governance. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of cybersecurity that ensure your organization data is secure and well managed. So, let's get started. The first question coming to our mind: what is IT security governance? So IT security governance is all about determining who hold the authority to make decisions regarding cybersecurity risk within your organization or your company. It's about showcasing accountability and providing oversight to ensure that risks are properly mitigated and that security strategy align with the organization business goals and requirements. Then we have a very important part here. Here it's important to distinguish IT security governance from IT security management. All right. So while governance focuses on decision-making authority and accountability, management is concerned with defining and implementing the necessary control to mitigate the risk. It's simple. So then we have data governance. Data governance is similar to IT security governance. It specifies who has the authority to make decisions about data management within an organization. Effective data governance program include several key rules to ensure proper management and oversight of data. Then we have a list of rules we have to break it down. So let's break down these rules. I want to be, as I promised in the beginning, I want to be as simple as I can because not all of you in the same level. I'm sorry, I'm not meaning because there is beginners, there is intermediate level, and there is above intermediate level. So yeah, I want to be just simple to make everyone understand the lesson. The first rule here I said data owner. This person ensure compliance with the policy and procedure assigning to or assigns the proper classification to information asset and determine the criteria for accessing this asset. Okay. So next we have data controller. Data controller, this individual determines the purpose for which and the way in which personal data is proceed. Okay. Data processor, this rule is a person or organization that process personal data on behalf of the data controller. Okay, so then we have data custodian. The person here is implementing the classification and security control for the data according to the rules set out by the data control or the data owner. Sorry. All right. So the data custodian, it's implement the classification and security control according to the rules set out by the data owner. All right. Then we have data stewards. So here it's the person who ensure that data supports an organization business needs and meet the requirement. All right. Lastly, and the last rule here we have in this lesson, data protection officer. Here, this is a person who oversees an organization data protection strategy. By understanding these rules and implementing within your organization, you can ensure that your data is managed and protected effectively. And always remember, strong IT security governance is the foundation of RAB's cybersecurity strategy. All right. So embrace the principle of IT security governance and make sure everyone in your company or your organization knows their role in protecting valuable information, because together we can always create safer digital environment for everyone. I believe I come to the end of this lesson. Try to take notes, try to repeat it again if you not understand any part. If you have any question, any comment, please don't hesitate to send me or comment down below in the comment section. So see you in the next lesson.